Hey guys, what's going on? What I want to do right now is show you guys a couple different features that you guys can actually use inside the Bizworks of Herbalife to really grow your business, understand how to use some of these tools, how you grow your team, how you check certain things. And so let's just go ahead and get into it right here. So you guys can see right here, I am basically in my front screen of my Herbalife page. And you guys can see right up here, you have this Bizworks, right? So if you haven't bought in Bizworks yet, it's a good idea to get yourself into that. It's only about $7 a month and it lets you do all sorts of different things. So you guys can see from right here, we go from Bizworks, right? And the first thing I want to show you guys, right, for all the new guys and working your way to supervisor and working your way to world team and stuff, is this report right here called non-supervisor volume plus, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click that. And what's going to happen is it is going to populate, all right, all of your information, okay, for all these different levels, pretty much like in your team, okay? So right here, you can basically see the levels set 1 through 3, okay? Those are like your top 3 pay lines. And these are the default settings. It'll automatically go for all. You can separate it, okay, into either preferred members or distributors. But for this one, we'll just do all, okay? And then for the current month, because we want to see where people are right now, okay? So you guys can see here as we go through, we'll leave those settings for now. It shows your distributors of non-documented volume, but this is one of the big ones I want to show you guys in the beginning, right? So as you're a coach and you begin signing up other coaches on your team, you're going to have this function is going to be super useful to you guys, all right? And right now, basically what it says is it's showing me how many people are inside of our organization that are only 100 volume points away from senior consultant. Okay, so there's 0, but there's ways to mess with this a little bit. So if you see what I did there, okay, I clicked that little blue wheel down in the bottom left-hand corner, it'll flip around and actually let you change what you want it to. So say I wanted to give everybody a message, right? That was, let's say less than 250 volume points from senior consultant, okay? So that same thing, we run it and basically we have one person. So what I want to show you is if you see this blue number 1, anything that's blue is clickable, okay? If we click that, it's automatically going to send us down here and it's going to show us, okay, who it is. So this girl, Sabrina Desrosiers, okay, she's underneath Gigi as her sponsor and she's only 134 points away, okay, from senior consultant. So that's how we basically check it. And then you basically take that information and I would just go to Facebook Messenger or Telegram, whatever you guys use, and basically tell them, it's to send them a message to say, hey, guess what, Sabrina, you're only, 134 volume points away from senior consultant. Okay, so that's for that one. It's the same exact thing for qualified producer, the same exact thing away from supervisor. So you guys probably see this one pretty frequently. All right, how far they are from supervisor. Again, same thing. All right, I'll just show you guys for duplication. All right, 3 people were within 500. So then we go down there, we have Anna Curtis underneath Jesse, Mary Young underneath Jesse, and then Jomari Morales underneath Liz. And then you basically can see right here, we'll look at Anna Curtis actually already hit already because they're actually QSs. So this is probably recently, which is why they're still in here. But they're basically, you guys can see they're at 0. So they already got it. And then this girl, Jomari, is at 296. Okay, so we basically can see, where, just send them a message and let them know. All right, so now the next thing I want to show you guys, all right, is it actually shows you, how many new distributors are in the organization. And sometimes you guys see, we send things out. Oh my God, congratulations, welcome to the team. And we basically use those new names. But these are some of the big ones that I want you guys to kind of get a hold of in the very beginning, okay? So this is preferred members that are within 100 documented volume points of silver. Now, this one is massive because there's so many preferred members, and we want to let them know where they are and how close they are, right? So it's the same exact thing. There's 41, okay, within 100 points. And basically, we just go in there, and then we can see that every single one of them, right? Look at this girl, Katharina. She is literally 0.45 away, okay, from getting that first promotion, basically on the preferred member side of the house, okay? This girl, Kelsey's only 2 volume points, 4 volume points. And this is really good because when you're looking to boost your personal volume at the end of the month, and you're not trying to order products, yourself, you want to, work with your team and work with your preferred members to find out how far they are. That way you guys can get a really good idea, of basically exactly how far they are away, send them a message to let let them know, you know, and if you just added up all these little numbers, right, probably close to, you know, 400 or 500 volume points, maybe more between all of them. And really all that volume is probably either going into your personal volume or into your organizational volume. So that'll either help you with cuts, you know, or your personal volume. So that was the first thing I kind of wanted to show you guys. You know, you kind of can play around in here. So that's how close the people are from silver. We have 10 people, you know, within 500 volume points of gold. And these are just really good tools to be able to use, you know, so you can kind of get in there and see exactly where your team are. Now, this is, again, just more stuff. How many brand new preferred members you have, okay, within the current month. And yeah, I mean, you know, like I said, any one of these things that is blue is clickable. And the only other thing I want to, you know, definitely make sure you guys understand is this little gadget right here, this little wheel, okay? Right there is for 400 volume points for qualified producer. You can change that to whatever you want, right? So if I wanted to see every distributor, that's, you know, basically that's pretty much everyone. Every distributor that's 1,000 points away from qualified producer, I can just put that in there. I can make that number whatever I want, you know, and the same thing when it's blue, boom, you click it, and it'll automatically send it down here for you, and you know, you can message all of those people. So guys, that's it for now. That's what I want to show you guys first. So if you guys are new, definitely take a look at this video. Learn the gadgets, get in there, play around with it, you know, hit the wheel, hit the different things so you guys can do it. All right, peace.